Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. In tonight's video, I wanted to do a video on a coin that I'm stuck in. It dropped and it's been taking quite a while since November to turn back around. And I'm down a little over 50% on what I invested. So in tonight's video, I'm going to share with you guys where I jumped in at, where I'm currently at, and what the technique is that I'm going to use to try to get myself out of it and start to make some money on it. Just in case I need to sell and I need to start making money. So my the amount I have to sell and lose is not as much. So I know it doesn't happen too often, but a few coins of mine got stuck and I know they'll swing back around. But what I'm going to share with you guys is how you can jump into another trade and make it less painful. Okay. So if you guys are into cryptocurrency, that's what I do. I show you guys, I do price predictions. I let you guys know when I jump into a coin, and then I let you know my entry point, my exit point, I calculate the profit, and then we also look at the indicator. So if you guys are into something like that, please subscribe to the channel, smack the notification bell, and we will go ahead and get started. All right, so this is going to be on OMG. All right, oh my God, that's basically what I've been feeling with it. Okay, so here is OMG. And let me go into my spreadsheet here, and we can find where I got stuck on OMG. It is a little bit up here. Okay, so OMG, I didn't put a lot into it. I only put $527 into it, and I bought it $13.19, okay? So I bought it $13.19, and my takeout point was at $15.21. So $13.19, $15.21, $13.19. So I bought somewhere right in this range. I probably bought right in here. And then it ended, well, $13.19. Somewhere, where are we? Right in there. Okay. I think it was November 12th, and it was November 12th. There you go. And my takeout point is 1521. All right. So here's my takeout point right here. 15, roughly right there. 1521 is what it's at. And look, since November 12th, it's just been boom, 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 hitting all these levels. Okay. So if once it swings, I will make on it only $80. Now, I know that's not that much, but you know, as you start adding these up, all these ones that are clearing right now, for those of you guys that are new, I slowed down in December, and then I started picking back up again on the 24th, and look at all the ones that have cleared. So I'm pretty good at picking entry points and having them clear, and I'm not too concerned about these. They will ultimately come around, and OMG will ultimately come back around. So let me go back up here. Okay. So don't worry about these prices here. I'm just holding these. I'm just playing with some different numbers, you know, dreaming in hopes that things come back around or make some money on it somewhere down the road. But these are holding long-term. And when I say long-term, I'm meaning a year or more, okay? So 1521 is where I want to be. So this is what I would do if I wanted to get out of this. So let me just copy this, and I'm going to share with you guys. Sorry, my dog's going nuts here. I'm going to share with you guys what I would do. So as of right now, the price is $548. Okay, let me change that. Let's go. Is it 5? No, it's not 548, is it? Oh my God, it's 548. Okay. Eek. So 548. So right now I'm down around $308. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to start getting myself out of this. So I have two options. I can wait. I can sit around and wait, because more often than not, for those of you guys that are new, here's another example. More often than not, when they crack these orange bases, they will come back up. And this is probably 9 out of 10 times it should swing. It's just a matter of waiting. So here was a long one back in May, and this happened to a lot of coins, and it took all the way until September 5th. Okay. And then it dropped, it came back up, it dropped, it came back up, it dropped right there real quick, came back up, and then it dropped and it stayed dropped, but let's see here. It broke a base right here, and it came back up. It broke a base here, it came back up. It broke a base here, it almost came back up, broke there, came back up, broke there, pretty much came back up, but it ultimately came back up over here. So what I can do right now is, if I want to start getting some money back in my pocket, I can estimate that because it's broken this base right here, I should be able to buy right here. It could go a little bit lower, but right now it's up. But if I buy right here at 548 and I take it to 581, 548, hold on a second. So if I go 548 to 581, and I've still got, let's say I buy $500 worth of coins, so I got roughly 80. I'll go 90. Yeah, I'll go 95. So if I buy roughly $520 worth, so I double my money in, I've got $31 back, and it's already starting to make this amount smaller. So let's say I put in $1,000 worth. So let's say I put in 180, and then it comes back to 59. So, at this point, it's dropped. And, how much money do I feel comfortable throwing back into a coin that's been staying low? Well, you also got to take into account that these are the times to buy back in, to buy when it hits these different levels, because more often than not, it swings back up, right? So you can go in here and you can buy along these areas, wait for it to come up. You don't even have to wait for it to get all the way up. You can wait for it just to get, somewhere up in here. So I could buy here, I could sell at any of these different levels right here on OMG. And I might as well share this with you guys. Any of you guys that are in OMG right now, or maybe you're considering it, here's some takeout points. This isn't advice. This is just me looking at things and how I see it. So, do your own research. But if I bought right now, I could take out right there at 588. Did I say 81 or 88? Okay, I could do 5. It's not much anyway. Okay, well, there you go. So if I put $1,000 in, I got 72 bucks back. This drops it, considerably. And then what I do is I just wait. I just buy all these little dips. I buy when it drops, when it drops here, when it drops here, when it drops here, and I just wait for the quick little swings, quick little ones, right? I mean, up here, yeah, it took a little bit longer, but if I was sitting here waiting at this one, well, let's see, it came back up. So right here, it dropped, but it has not hit that level yet again. So I would be holding there, but I could jump in on all these little ones along the way and make money. And then ultimately it's going to swing back up and it's going to hit there. So I'm hoping this makes sense to you guys. So some points, if you were in on it or you were considering it, if you bought now, you could jump out at 588. You could jump out at 688, 753, 817, 8.82, 9.39, 10.11, 10.64, 11.25, 1190, and then ultimately 1247. So I have a better shot at reaching this level than I do this level. So what I could do is I could jump in on all these little trades, and by the time I make money on all these little ones along the way, by the time it gets up there, I'll probably make more money than if I sold this at a little bit of a loss somewhere down here. Let me see if I can explain that a little bit more for you guys. So if instead of me selling at 15, whatever, 21 or whatever it is, if I sold at 1258, let me show you. So if I come in here and I sold at 1258, I'm at a loss, right? So I'm down 24 bucks. But look at here. If I jump in, I start coming back. I would make more money buying those little dips than even if I sold my initial one at a loss. If I just jumped in on a whole bunch of these little ones along the way, and I started just going like this and laying them down and buying, kind of all throughout here and waiting for the quick little swings just up to the next line, then I'll be at a profit in the whole grand scheme of things. So rather than me sitting on my butt and waiting for it to get up here, I can jump in and make money, and I'll probably more than likely make more of a profit than if I wait for it just to come up here. Because if I sit and I wait, what's my profit? 80 bucks, which isn't much. Where is it? Emma, where are you? OMG, you sucker. Oh, right there, OMG. Okay. So if I wait, I make 80 bucks, and my money's been sitting in a trade since November. It's not working for me. I could be buying all these little dips and making money right off the bat. And now my money's working for me. I'm actively managing my money. So if this is helpful for you guys are learning something, please hit the thumbs up down below. And then also subscribe to the channel. It's over here. Smack that bell when it pops up. And that's it for OMG. And I'm trying to decide here what I want to do. I'll probably jump into some of these and see what's going on. Make that work for me. Okay. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. All right. Bye-bye.